Hi guys, here we've got Redmi Note 12 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button and volume up button, so just hold them together, keep holding, now you can release the button as only you see the logo, and by using power button, click on Reboot. Click on Reboot to system, so just smoothly tap one more time on power button and wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your device and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.